No. I can get it out.
Ellie, do kittens eat spiders?
Yeah. Yes.
They do?
Then eat this spider. It's not real. It's plastic. What if this means the baby and this means the robot mom?
Ellie, do dinosaurs eat spiders?
Hey. No.
No?
They eat grass.
They only herbivores eat grass.
Don't you choke?
They won't choke? Will your kitten choke?
Yes. They choke grass.
They choke on grass? They go like that?
Yes. You can't get out. Here's my hand. Just get the
Do kittens eat chickens?
Yes.
They do?
Real. She's not real.
She's not real?
No.
What's her name?
Can I try? I'm gonna call her. I don't want to call her Poopy Head.
That would be good. What do you want to call her then?
I'm gonna put the lid on.
You want to call her put the lid on?
No. Put the lid on this.
Okay.
I think it works better on the tile.
It works pretty good on the carpet too, man.
So what are you going to call your kitty?
What's your kitty's name going to be? Push it down. It just pushes on. What's your kitty's name going to be? What does she look like to you? What kind of name does she need?
I think we need to get some batteries, buddy.
I'm gonna call her name.
You're going to call her a name? What name?
E-L-L-I-E. My name.
That's your name, though. So your kitty's name is going to be Ellie?
Yes.
Let me try
on the towel. But I don't want that bird to walk on me.
No.
That would be not nice.